We've had a lot of requests to do several songs. We're going to try to squeeze them in, and this one here is called "I'm Going to Catch a Train and Ride." Lord, leave me if you wish to, and I hope you're satisfied. When my heart starts breaking, I'll just catch a train and ride. Standing by this lonesome railroad, thinking of the days gone by. How you left me, little darling, and I hung my head and cried. Go and leave me if you wish to, and I hope you're satisfied. When my heart starts breaking, I'll just catch a train and ride. Very spot where I'm standing, I held you closer as my own. But the wine on that old freight train tore apart a happy home. Go and leave me if you wish to, and I hope you're satisfied. When my heart starts breaking, I'll just catch a train and ride.
Turn the fiddle up, we're wasting good talent.
Standing by this lonesome railroad, thinking of the days gone by. How you left me, little darling, and I hung my head and cried. Go and leave me if you wish to, and I hope you're satisfied. When my heart starts breaking, I'll just catch a train and ride. I'll just catch a train and ride. I'll just catch a train and ride.